So this is the last video of this apartment because we are moving, and so everything is sort of in boxes already and being packed away. Like some art and shelves have been taken off already. Some donation that I need to take. Then this is sort of like the catch-all table. Fleming's area. Balcony is already dismantled, and it's just remnants of things I need to clean up. This is my husband's work area. I sold the furniture that was supposed to be here, so now it's just all in bags. And the lights, I cleaned them, so they're just ready to be packed away, but since it is, we're only moving in early December, I just kept them up like that.